Here we are with the E46 swap going on. Got the 2.5 out now. Wasn't too bad. Pretty easy, especially once you got transmission out. If you're gonna put chain on it like this without taking the intake off, move this harness piece out of the way so the chain don't break it, because it'll be sitting right on it right here. And don't forget to unhook your fuel line here. We got an empty shell now. Getting ready for the 3-liter 6-speed swap. I'm gonna have to remove the shifter and cable and all and get it prepped for the manual shifter. Start going inside. Got to make a list of what all we're gonna swap out. You know, spark plugs and boots and gaskets, stuff like that, and see what all we can swap over onto this new motor. See what the new motor might need. In case it's got a leak somewhere that we want to go ahead and get that finished before, you know, we drop it in the core. Don't want to have any issues after it goes in. Got our 6-speed here and our rear diff to go along with it. Supposedly the axles are supposed to fit right in this. Thought it was a M diff, but I can't remember. But we had an issue with that before because the M model axles were different. But we'll see. Well, it looks like you got E28 or older OBD1 style, you know, manifolds on here. I thought he had headers, but he must have swapped them out for these. So I'll probably swap these over if he wants to keep these, clean them up, paint them. But that's where we made it to so far. So far, so good. We'll see how the shifter goes, and as far as swapping everything over, and make another video as we go. Once I guess I'll be dropping the motor in first and then the transmission. So give some updates after all that's done. Stay tuned. Thanks.